Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to Detroit. Local time is approximately 10 minutes after 6 Eastern Time. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and carrying on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may now use mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop and computers may not be used at this time. We invite you to visit Delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta and our Sky Team partners, thank you for flying with us. We have enjoyed having you on board today and looking forward to serving you again in the near future. Have a nice evening.